Hey guys, this is Pallavi and you are watching Spoken English Adda. Guys, today in this video I am going to give you a list of offensive phrases that you should never use formally or informally. And here I'll give you better phrases that you can use instead. Let's get started. Number 1 is it's a bad idea. Instead of saying this phrase, it's better to say I'm not so sure it's a good idea. I'm not so sure it's a good idea. Number 2 is your work is awful. Your work is awful. Instead of saying this phrase, guys, you should say your work is not really up to the standard. Your work is not really up to the standard. Next phrase, tell me when the meeting starts. Guys, instead of saying this phrase, you must say, let me know when the meeting starts. Let me know when the meeting starts. Guys, यहाँ पर हमने tell me, मुझे बताओ की जगह हमने let me know का यूज किया है. Next, आप कई बार कहते हैं no, no, no. Instead of saying no, you should say I'm alright, thanks. I'm alright, thanks. या फिर I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. Another phrase that you should not use is leave me alone. Leave me alone. Instead of using this phrase, you should say sorry, I'm a bit busy right now. Sorry, I'm a bit busy right now. Another one, it's hot, open the window. It's hot, open the window. Instead of saying it, you must say, do you mind if I open the window? Do you mind if I open the window?
यहाँ पर आपको इस ई बुक में मिलेंगे 350 प्लस एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश स्ट्रक्चर्स. गाइज, अगर आप हमारी ई बुक की हेल्प से अपनी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग स्किल्स को बेहतरीन बनाना चाहते हैं तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए इस ई बुक के लिंक पर क्लिक करके इसे परचेज कर सकते हैं.
So guys, these were some offensive phrases and I hope after getting better replacements of these phrases you will stop using these phrases. If you really like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family members, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.